Hey, if you cannot receive messages on your CMF Watch Pro, let me show you how we can fix this. So we have to remember about a few things. First of all, just be sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is actually turned off. So you can find it just right here when you navigate into the settings. You can find the Do Not Disturb mode. And from this, just be sure that you just turn it off by clicking on this switcher. Next, you have to actually go into your smartphone, open CMF Watch application, click here, and from this go into the notifications, and also be sure that you enable notifications at all and that you enable notifications from your short messages, so by clicking on the switcher. Also, if you want to receive messages from other apps, like for example from the WhatsApp, just click here on the switcher. As you can see, in my case it's actually disabled as default. And also we can do this for Telegram, Messenger, and any other application that you are receiving messages. And sometimes you can also don't receive the notifications when the Do Not Disturb mode is turned on your phone. So be sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is actually turned off on your smartphone. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.